Click.
On a spoon.
On his what? What?
On his spoon.
Hello. On his. Can you say?
Boo.
Really? Can you say please? Your juice? Thank you? No, there was no thank you there.
He's got the rest of my biscuits.
I know, he's got the rest of your biscuits, Lisa, because I gave them to him. Ha, ha, ha. You've got his chocky ones.
Hey.
Honors.
Honors.
No, I don't know what the last word was, sweetheart.
On the spoon. On the spoon.
On the spoon.
On the spoon. You've done it.
You done it. Well done. You must have remembered that from last night.
Well
Awesome. Good boy, Daniel. Top stuff.
Awesome. Awesome.
Awesome. Yes, you just said awesome.
Daniel can read.
He can read some things, can't he, Lisa?
Daniel can read.
Say, hello, Grandma. We're going to upload this for Grandma.
Say hello, Grandma.
Not going to happen.
You done it.
You got it. Okay.
You done it.
You done it. No.
You done it.
Oh, you done it now. No, you got it.
Hello, Daniel.
Shh, Lisa.
You got it.
You got it. That's right. Well done.
One.